This video is a step-by-step guide for VPT testing with Vibrasense. Before we proceed, let us familiarize ourselves with the various parts of the device. Turn on the Bluetooth of the phone or tablet on which Vibrasense Connect app is installed. Launch the VibraConnect app. Log in. Scan your device to connect and arrive at this dashboard. Click on New Test. In the next screen, click on New Patient to bring up the registration form. Enter the patient details on this screen and click on Register to get started. You will then get this screen that shows buttons for the left leg and right leg. Do not click on them. You are now ready to start the VPT testing on this subject. Provide the subject a comfortable seat or bed. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. The default screen is on position 1 and VPT 0. Before testing the feet, train the subject to sense vibration stimuli. Place the probe on the dorsum of the subject's hand and use the up arrow to increase the vibration stimulus until the patient feels a buzzing sensation. Tell them you are going to give a similar stimulus in the foot. Instruct the subject to affirm by saying yes or by thumbs up sign as soon as they feel the buzzing sensation on the foot being tested. These are the 6 points you will test on each foot. To avoid bias, you may ask the patient to keep their eyes closed during the test. Start the test with position at P1 and VPT at 0. Place the vibration probe on the testing point P1. Ensure that the probe is perpendicular to the skin surface and gently touching the skin. Slowly increase the amplitude using the up arrow until the subject feels the vibration sensation and affirms. Now press the PR button. This saves the last recorded data for P1 and brings up position 1 on the screen. Use the up arrow to select the next position, P2. Press PR again to freeze this position for testing. Now proceed to test at P2. Repeat these steps until you finish the testing at position 6 on that foot. Once you have tested all the 6 points on that foot, you are ready to save the data for that foot. On the app screen, click on the right leg or left leg button depending on which leg you tested first. Long press the PR button on the device immediately to send the data to the phone. This generates the report for that foot. Before you proceed to test the other foot, you need to reset the device by pressing the PR button once and then pressing the reset button for about 3 seconds. This will bring the device back to P1 and VPT to 0. Now proceed to test the other foot following the same steps of testing from P1 to P6. Once you have finished testing the 6 points until P6 on the other foot, save the data for that foot. On the app screen, click on the button for the other foot. Long press the PR button on the device to send the data to the phone. This will generate the report for the second foot. To generate the final report of both feet, click on the report button. This will bring up the results of both the feet on the screen. Click on the print button to generate a PDF version of this report. This report can be now shared as a PDF with the patient or printed on a color printer and shared with the patient.